The other animals. Not for the humans, but for the other animals. We are putting the confiscated, rescued, and donated animals here. And once they have a chance to survive in this quarantine facility, they may have a possibility to be released back in the wild.
So what sort of wild animals you have here right now?
Right, mga other kinds of birds.
Like musang, something like that you
Yes.
have?
As of now po, only birds lang po. Yung mga
Only
nandyan.
birds lang.
Yes po.
Okay, okay.
Now that we are here in the hatchling house, I just want to inform you that we are only available here for 3 to 5 minutes only. And if you can, masamsang po na amoy or smelly,
Stinky.
yes, because lang po namin sa kanila nakaraang araw po.
So they just feeded the crocodile. So
Again,
it's
welcome to
really
the
stinky.
hatchling house. Please wash your hands before we out. Municipality of Aklan. Aklan has the length of 16 feet long and has the approximately the age of 60 to 7 years old. And our next crocodile here is a male saltwater crocodile named Mar. Mar was captured in Sitio Barabahay in Rio Tuba, Palawan. Mar encountered a human before, that's why he was used here now. Our next crocodile here is a male saltwater crocodile named Lakmak. Lakmak was captured in Barangay Macarasgas here in Puerto Princesa. Makmak has the length of 17 feet long, almost the same as Rio. As we all remember in Malawi, the skeletons of Rio,
Down there, very appropriate.
it has almost the same length. Makmak is our oldest crocodile. They have a slow metabolism. And only chicken, pork, beef, and fish only are their foods. Our next crocodile here is a male saltwater crocodile named Kalayaan. Kalayaan was transferred here from the day of Kalayaan. As we all can see, his name is Kalayaan, but he has no freedom.
Yeah.
Over from the municipality of Del Carmen in Surigao del Norte. Surigao has no teeth anymore because it has calcium deficiency, and crocodiles can't survive in the wild anymore. And Surigao also encountered a human before.
Oh.
Our next crocodile here is a male saltwater crocodile named Kota. Kota
Kota.
was a former and pioneer breeder from Cotabato City in Maguindanao.
That's why it's
As we
called.
all can see, his face has more scars because he is becoming dominant to their territory and he is attacking other crocodiles.
Yeah.
Ito pagong mo.
Oh, it's pagong! Cute! Si pagong! Ay, ba't dito sa yellow? Ako dito magpagawa. Di marunong. May tawag. Mom, God, what is wrong?
That's a Palawan bear cat.
That's cute.
He's sleeping. Hi! Hi! How are you? So, we are here in the crocodile farm. Welcome back to my vlogs. Ayan. So, I'll go now, Emma. Emma is having a picture. Wait. So, like, we are in one. Yes. And I'll just take a... Hold on. Chakay. So that's all. We're gonna head to the butterfly garden, and then we're gonna go to our Topanya Resort to pay for our accommodation for when we return here in Puerto. Okay, I'm gonna pay the...
A few inches later.
Today he was rejected, that's why the peacock is very sad. Maybe later he will open again, but sometimes the peahen does not like the peacock, that's why. So sad. So actually, it became the logo of Puerto Princesa, that's why we have the logo of peacock to represent 66. So, yes. So that size are
Look, the butterfly here. Come here. Look, the butterflies.
Touch me gently.
Нежно.
Yeah.
Ага, вот другая.
This is a crocodile and mommy.
Yeah, from here. Saltwater crocodile.
Ate na baby.
Oh, the musang
Patela to.
Palawan bear cat.
Palawan bear.
Свинья.
Свечечка поспи, на.
Dead skin, come on. Hands pa. Fish hands pa. Just soak your... Okay. Soak.
I eat a burger before.
Yeah, it's tasty. They're gonna come and eat the dead skin.
I'm gonna get one.
It tickles na.
Yung mga wala, yung mga malalaki, yung mga
It's cool. Oh, this is the millipedes. Giant millipedes. They move so slow. How about here? Oh, this is their scorpion. Palawan scorpion, do not touch. And here is... What is in here? Oh, the small scorpion. Oh, this is like kind of, what is this? Leaf insect. There, here. This one. It looks like a leaf, but it's not.
Mommy, should I show you the leaves you found is right here.
Yeah, here also. Here, this one, this. This one. This, it looks like a leaf, but it's the insect.
Ah, okay, too big.
Ah, this one. What is this? The stick insect.
Oh, it's so big.
Top, the big one.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's so big. Oh my god, it's giant.
Oh my God! What the hell? No.
Oh, wow.
Oh
Look at
my
that.
God! Ew.
Mas malaki pa sa kamay ko. Mas mahaba pa pala. Sa palad ko. Ang haba.
What is here?
Oh my God, so many.
Yeah.
Oh my God! That's good. Oh my God!
Handfish pa.
Oh, the fishes are eating your dad's skin.
Emma, Val, do not do that, no? Do not do that. Just soak your...
Oh, oh, oh,
Put it back. Uy, put it back. They could die. They cannot breathe outside, you know? Outside the water, they cannot breathe. Val. Stop. Just soak your hands in the water, like ate, oh.
I don't want that they eat my dad's skin.
Thanks for watching mga kayos. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit the like button and notification bell. And for more videos, just click on the boxes on the right. See you in my next vlog. Bye!